Dear students, in the last video we have learned about the workers movement at Ahmedabad, and we also have learned about the Satyagraha against Rowlatt Act, and in it we learn the British government appoint a committee under Sir Sidney Rowlatt, right? The British government appoint a committee, it was under Sir Sidney Rowlatt, and according to the recommendation of the Sir Sidney Rowlatt committee, they pass according to the recommendation of the committee, a new law was passed, and this new law was known as Rowlatt Act, and it was passed in the opposition of Indian members in Central Legislative Assembly in the year 1919 in the month of March, right? So this is known as the Rowlatt Act, and according to this law, the government gave a right to the police department to arrest anybody without any warrant or imprison without any trial. Appeal was prohibited against this punishment. The Indians called this act as a Black Act, and because of this Black Act, a tide of anger arose all over India. And now Gandhiji once again used their weapon of Satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act, against the Black Act, and on the 6th of April 1919, Gandhiji appealed to the Indians to follow Hartal. Hartal means hunger strike. Gandhiji once again appealed to the Indians to follow the Hartal against the Rowlatt Act in the year 1919, and all over India. The peoples, they responded to the appeal of Mahatma Gandhi on a large scale against Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act, it is also known as a Black Act, and this act gave the permission to the police department to arrest anybody without any warrant or imprison without any trial, and there was no any prohibition to appeal in the court according to this act. Now we will learn about Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Massacre means excessive killing of many people. That is massacre. And Jallianwala, it's a place. Jallianwala Bagh, it's a place. And massacre means excessive killing of many people. Now we will go ahead. The movement that aroused against the Rowlatt Act took over fires in the province of Punjab, and as we have learned here, Gandhiji appealed to the Indians to follow the Hartal against the act, and the Indians responded it very well, and this movement that took a large shape in the Punjab province, in the Punjab region, and in Amritsar it was become the main center of the movement. Amritsar, it is in Punjab, and it was the main center of this movement, and the government had started the spate of suppression. Gandhiji was prohibited from. Now the government is trying to make suppression on the Indians, to spate of suppression on the Indians, and the government prohibited to the Gandhiji to enter in the Punjab region. The British government knows very well that the Gandhiji, they are the main in this whole movement. So as a precaution, government prohibited to Mahatma Gandhi to enter in the Punjab province. General Dyer, he was a British officer. He issued the order of ban on public meeting in Amritsar, and this person, General Dyer, he issued an order in the Punjab province for the public meeting in the Amritsar, and important leaders like Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichlu were arrested for their involvement in Amritsar Hartal case. So students, here we have learned about the Rowlatt Act. Against the Rowlatt Act in the year 1919, Gandhiji appealed to the Indians to follow the Hartal. This Hartal took place a large shape over a fires from in the Punjab province. The Amritsar, it was the center of this movement. The government started to spit of suppression. The Gandhiji was prohibited by the British government to enter in the Punjab region, and General Dyer, an English officer, he issued an order on the public meeting in Amritsar, and the leaders like Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichlu were also arrested as a reason for their involvement in Amritsar Hartal case. This is the background of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. And see now, as a protest against this, on 13th April 1919 on a Baisakhi day, we know Baisakhi, it's a festival of Punjab, and the peoples, they are in the protest against this. And in the month of April 1919, on the day of Baisakhi, the people of Amritsar, they assembled, they gathered at a place named Jallianwala Bagh. See now, we are going ahead toward the massacre. And on the occasion of this Baisakhi day, the people of Amritsar, they assembled, they gathered on the place, at a place named Jallianwala Bagh. And this person, General Dyer, he arrived with very large armed force. And this Jallianwala Bagh place, this place was enclosed from all sides and had only one small gate.